Let's play outside, Leo.
Yes, I have my ball. I can kick too.
Oh yeah?
Go for it. Watch this.
I'm ready.
Stay away from the windows.
Okay, Dad, I will.
Good. Let's have fun.
Pass to me, please. Here you go. I got it.
Nice teamwork.
I can kick very far.
Slow down, Leo.
Just one big kick. Wait, the house is close. Be careful. I will be careful. Oh no! The window.
Is everyone okay? Are you okay, Lily?
I'm okay, but it broke.
No one move. Be safe.
It was my kick.
Tell us the truth.
I was just playing, I promise. I didn't mean it.
Accidents happen. But we must be honest.
Okay, Dad. We can fix it!
First, we clean safely.
Leo, hold the tape.
Okay, I will help.
Thank you for helping.
I feel really bad.
Feeling bad means you care.
I get scared too.
Let's talk inside.
We will make a plan.
I will tell the neighbor too.
That is very brave.
I can come with you.
That's very sweet, Lily. But I'll be back soon. Okay, we go together.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, we have news.
I broke the window. I'm sorry.
It was an accident.
We will fix it.
We can help too.
That's the spirit.
We're a great team.
Back home, we work.
Safety first, always.
Leo, watch and learn.
I will be careful. I will hold the broom.
Good, small steps.
Thank you, team.
I want to pay too.
Your honesty is the gift.
We learn from mistakes.
We still love you.
Thank you. I was scared.
Fear gets smaller with truth.
Now, let's finish.
I will listen next time.
All done.
Yay, you did it!
It looks wonderful, dear.
And the window is secured neatly.
It looks better.
We did it together.
I feel lighter now.
Truth is light.
Let's have hot cocoa.
Yay! Cocoa time! I will carry carefully.
Slow and steady.
Good choice, Leo.
Can we play again tomorrow?
Of course, sweetie. I'd love that. And far from windows.
I will remember.
What did we learn today? Be safe.
Be safe.
And tell the truth.
And tell the truth.
That is real courage.
We forgive and we grow.
Good night, everyone. Good night. I feel happy.
Tomorrow is a new day.
Honesty makes the heart strong.